So that's not a question that I could answer in the abstract. I will not express a view on a matter of public policy. It would be a gross violation of judicial independence for me to make any such commitment or for me to be asked about that case and how I would rule.
Do you solemnly swear that the testimony you're about to give this committee is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
But do you think it's wrong to separate children from their parents to deter immigrants from coming to the United States?
That's a matter of hot political debate in which I can't express a view or be drawn into as a judge.
This is the first time in American history that we've nominated a woman who's unashamedly pro-life and embraces her faith without apology.
If I express a view on a precedent one way or another, whether I say I love it or I hate it, it signals to litigants that I might tilt one way or another in a pending case.
So on something that is really a major cause with major effect on over half of the population of this country, who are women, after all, it's distressing not to get a straight answer.
Let's not make any mistake about it. Allowing President Trump to determine who fills the seat of Ruth Bader Ginsburg poses a threat to safe and legal abortion in our country. Several times today, you have quoted Justice Ginsburg's testimony about not making predictions in future cases. However, she was far more forthcoming at her confirmation hearing about the essential rights of women.
Let's see.
Do you believe that climate change is happening and is threatening the air we breathe and the water we drink?
You have asked me a series of questions that are completely uncontroversial, like whether COVID-19 is infectious, whether smoking causes cancer, and then trying to analogize that to eliciting an opinion on me that is a very contentious matter, opinion from me that is on a very contentious matter of public debate. And I will not do that. I will not express a view on a matter of public policy, especially one that is politically controversial, because that's inconsistent with the judicial role, as I have explained.
Thank you, Judge Barrett, and you've made your point clear that you believe it's a debatable point.
Judge for yourself. Is this person qualified? Is she as qualified as Sotomayor and Kagan? I think so. These were two nominees presented to the committee by President Obama.
We're in the middle of a pandemic, and we are just 3 weeks from an election. And just a week after that election, the Supreme Court's going to hear a case that could take away health care protections from more than half of all Americans.
I can't have you elicit a commitment from me about how I would make that decision in advance.
It is to invalidate as unconstitutional something that is in fact not unconstitutional.
Senator, as an academic, I did express a critique. I have no hostility to the ACA, and if a case came up before me presenting a different question to the ACA, I would approach it with no bias or hostility.
The president has said that he's putting you on the court as a ninth justice so you can decide the election. It would be a dagger at the heart of the court and our democracy if this election is decided by the court rather than the American voters.
I have had no conversation with the president or any of his staff on how I might rule in that case. What I meant is that his jurisprudential approach to text. And value judgments of government must be made by the political branches, elected by and accountable to the people. Americans of all backgrounds deserve an independent Supreme Court that interprets our Constitution and laws as they are written. I'm standing before the committee today saying that I have the integrity to act consistently with my oath and apply the law as the law.